Hey everyone, this is Dawn from Southpaw Bushcraft. Thought we would open up this coffee can and see how our Hatchet is doing. It's been in here about 24 hours. Hang on a second, let me get something to pull that out of there with. Boy, that's really starting to look pretty good. Hold on. Okay, I put on some rubber gloves because stuff stinks. Wow. Look at that. That's really starting to clean up nice. It's got a little ways to go yet. But it's really coming along. I'll probably take that out in the morning and start cleaning it up and get the wood out of the head there and start the next process. So get it out here in the sunlight so you can see it better. I really think this is gonna turn out nice. So, alright, well, we'll check it again tomorrow and see where things are at. And I got it sitting here on the tailgate of my truck. Look at that. Birch bark. Even in the back of my truck. Little piece of cedar wood. So anyway, alright, we'll check it again tomorrow and see where and get back at the get going on the next step. I'll see you then. And by the way, happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody.